Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this battle of extreme heat versus extreme cold, we are going to need some dry ice and some firecrackers. So, let's begin. So guys, we have placed two of these firecrackers between two pieces of dry ice, and today we are going to see whether the dry ice is capable of stopping the fire of the firecrackers. And also notice that the firecrackers are already freezing because a layer of ice is already formed in the firecrackers near the dry ice. So let's see what happens. So lighting the firecrackers in 3, 2, 1. And here we go. Whoa, this is looking so beautiful. Now let's see what happens. Does the dry ice stops the firecrackers? And here the flame goes inside the dry ice, and can you see that? The dry ice is glowing. Whoa, this looks so amazing. It looks as if some white light is coming out of the dry ice. So the flame passed through half and more of the dry ice, and I thought that it is not gonna stop, but suddenly it stopped with this weird noise. Wait, I'll show you from different angle. Did you see that? And also the firecracker was not completely burned. A slight of its end was left. So I think that the dry ice was capable to stop the flame of the firecracker. Now let's see what happened from the inside. So I'll just remove this and I'll show you. And the heat of the firecracker actually made grooves in the dry ice. Wait, I'll show you how it looks. So I'll zoom it in, and can you see that? Can you see those two grooves of the heat of the firecrackers? So I think that was it. The dry ice was capable to stop, although till the end, but it was capable to stop the flame of the firecracker, and I think it was the winner. So by that said, I think it is end of this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.